morning, Father.
Good morning, son. Please sit down. Son, can you please brighten up your face? Today is a happy day, and not a day for mourning. You know it.
A happy day for you, a mourning day for me.
A mourning day for you? What exactly do you mean?
Father, today my self-will was sacrificed. It's dead and gone. Sacrificed on the altar of your desires. I'm in mourning for him.
Son, some dates are better celebrated than mourned. Today is a happy day for you. Rejoice, my son. It calls for celebration. Don't forget, very soon we shall be leaving. Charlie? Charlie?
Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Can somebody tell me how beautiful I'm looking?
My princess, you look gorgeous as usual.
Oh. Princess, you look so beautiful as never before. Oh my goodness, thank you. But girls, next time you want to use the word gorgeous, you say it very well. Like gorgeous.
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 Like gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Thank you, girls. Go ahead. Go ahead. Make sure you lay it properly.
My daughter.
This one.
Huh. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here. What is it?
Our in-laws are here now. Even Igwe Kaka came with them.
Oh my God.
Yes. Your father said I should come and call you to come and greet them.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, we are not even ready. I'm not ready.
Oh no. You are beautiful the way you are.
Really?
Come, let's keep going.
Okay, you know what, Mom? Just go, keep them company. I want to walk in majestically as a princess that I am. I'll join you in a bit.
Please.
Okay?
Make it snappy.
I will, Mom.
Okay.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Yes,
They are here. Go ahead, go. Make it snappy. Snappy.
Okay, my princess.
Yes. Very snappy.
Ah, this is it.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Yes.
Your Majesty, this is it. Worthy of royalty. The only queen of Umwezemaze kingdom. A replica of my late wife. Son, go and bring your wife to me. That's how it's done.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty. I am so honored.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Donation. I'm sorry.
Seeing your beautiful face has made my day. Oh, yes. Your Majesty, permit me to ask that you allow your daughter to follow us home today. My son here has been complaining that both of them are total strangers to one another, getting married. That you allow your daughter to have 2 weeks vacation with us so that both of them can have time to bond together, get to know each other and possibly learn from one another before the marriage rites proper.
Definitely.
Oh, yes. Your Majesty, what do you have to say?
What more do I have to say?
Permission granted. Oh! Thank you, Your Majesty.
I'm sorry.
Icholoka wagi femelu webulodo. Icholoka kologi femelu buligwe. Icholoka mbaloga mamandemu. Imanese mweche. It's me, I'm brutal. Imanese mweche. No one can see my Imanese mweche. It's me, I'm brutal. Imanese mweche.
Sorry.
No one can see my
Your Majesty.
Waka committee go too much. Waka soil ignorance, yo. He's now the king. What he says stands. Osikama mwaya gawo, mwonyo somoro. Kama nkita mano, gata bunkita ya tamwanko nyonso. Kama kopu bubo, nono gewu, obi ya dinjo. He has no conscience, not at all. Icholoka wagi femelu webulodo. Icholoka kologi femelu buligwe. Icholoka mbaloga mamandemu. Icholoka wagi femelu webulodo. Icholoka kologi femelu buligwe. Icholoka mbaloga mamandemu. Imanese mweche. It's me, I'm brutal. Imanese mweche. No one can see my Imanese mweche. It's me, I'm brutal.
I see you having a good time. Alone. You know, when I left my father's house to come be with you, I thought we were actually coming here to have fun. Have a good walk in the garden, a little chit-chat, crack me some jokes, take me out and make me feel wanted. What's going on? Since we arrived here, you've been obviously avoiding me. Why is that?
You know, even after I've decided to accept this thing, I still find it difficult to accept you. I have tried to take you in, but the more I try, the more difficult it is. Something about you doesn't sit right with me.
Did you just say that to me? What exactly are you talking about?
I'm only being honest to myself and to you. I don't like you. I've tried to force myself to, but It's not working.
You don't have to force yourself. You have to like me. You have to be with me. We are meant to be together.
Excuse me?
Excuse
I
you.
have to what?
Like me, I said. You know what? You disgust me. My father needs to hear this. Oh. I am so disgusted at this moment. Where the hell are you going? Where are you going?
You wish yourself good luck. You wish yourself success in expense of someone's life. You wish yourself success. You wish yourself good things in expense of someone's life.
What is this? You complain that you've been forced to marry a total stranger. I saw reasons with you and made it possible for both of you to have time together so that you will not be strangers to yourselves. What else is your problem with now?
Reality.
What reality? What nonsense reality you talking about?
My spirit does not like her person, Father. I don't like her. Her presence irritates me. Look, Father, I have tried my best to do your wish. I have buried myself and what I want for this marriage. But the fact remains that I don't like her. Fine, we'll go ahead with the marriage as you wish, but I don't need her around me.
Hello, my dear.
Mom, I don't feel good at all. I don't feel good. I'm not fine.
What is it again?
It's the prince. He hates me so much and he doesn't even hide it. He's so vocal and blunt about it, Mom. Mom, I feel terribly bad.
Huh. I'm sorry about it, my dear. Don't cry. Yes. Don't cry. Crying will not change anything.
But Mom, why does he hate me so much? Why? He doesn't even want to see me.
I wouldn't know, my dear. Maybe the spell is still working on him.
Exactly my thoughts, Mom. Mom, we need to do something about it. We need to do something. I mean, it's not ordinary.
You don't have to worry yourself. Your father can handle such situation. All you need to do now is to go to his room this night and make sure you wear something very exposing and sexy. Yes, no matter how strong a man is, he must fall for the power of a woman. Yes. Yes. You are a very beautiful girl. Any man that doesn't find you attractive has a very big problem. Yes. It's all right. It's all right.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for your kind words. You know, you actually remind me of the Queen of England. Shut up. Can't you see I'm on the phone? Thank you so much, Mother. Thank you. I'll do just that. I'm relieved now.
You are always welcome.
Okay, bye, Mom.
Okay. Okay.
Move so I can see you. Move. What is it?
Dinner is served, my princess.
Dinner is served, my princess. That is the only thing you know. Food. That's why you look like an octopus. Food. Morning food, afternoon food, evening food. That's the only thing you think of. Get your silly self out of here.
Sorry, my princess.
Baby bouncer. And what the hell are you standing there staring at? Huh? Oh, you haven't seen a beautiful princess before, is it? Oh, get the hell out of there. Run along! Shush away! Ew. I'm so dull. Anyways, my mother says I should go into his room tonight looking all sexy. I think that is exactly what I need to do. Go to his room tonight.
You're
still doesn't like her.
Yes. I mean, why? Huh.
This is serious. Very, very serious. More serious than I thought.
Please, Igwe. We need to do something very fast. Do something about it. Please.
He can't run away from his destiny.
Of course.
This is the tradition. I must marry my daughter as long as he remains the prince of Umwezemazi kingdom.
He must.
Yes. 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 No one can do anything about it. You must marry my daughter.
Who's there?
Prince, I have come to warm your bed tonight. Okay? I have come to be with you.
Excuse me. What the hell is wrong with you?
My prince, why would you do that to me? Why did you push me? I only came here to...
Enough, please. Princess Oma, kindly leave my room right now.
My prince, for goodness sake, you are going to be my husband.
Are you still standing here?
You're going to be my husband.
Leave my room. Leave my room!
But you can't ask me.
I said leave my room!
Oh, no, you don't shout at me. I am not one of your maidens. I am a princess. You would accord me some respect.
You will accord yourself some respect and get out of my room before I do something nasty to you. Princess Oma, get out. Get out! Get out!
My father must hear this.
What nonsense. How did I get...
I know you must be wondering why I came back. Well, I came to air my mind. You know what? You are heartless. You are a demon. You're a monster. You are a beast. You know what? I am sick and tired of everything in this palace. I am going back. Enough of your insults. You heard me?
Uche, Princess Oma, what is going on here?
Why don't you ask this little uncultured, silly swine you call a son? I've had enough of his insult and humiliation. Like I said to him, I am going back to my father's palace, where I am being regarded as a princess, a gorgeous princess. Huh? I'm leaving.
What did you do to her?
My husband has finally given his consent.
Are you for real?
Yes, he said I should bring her in today.
For real? This is a good news. You see, helping this poor girl will open more doors in your family.
Amen. Amen.
You see, she has promised to be coming to the church every day to be helping in sanctuary keeping till she gets a job. Okay, let me bring her so that you people start going. But don't forget to send my regards to your husband. Just for helping a total stranger that you know nothing about. More blessing will come to your family.
Amen. And I will tell my husband.
Okay, God bless you.
Her name is Adezi.
Oh, Adezi. Adema.
The priest say he has spoken to a lot of people about finding her a job. But for the meantime, she'll be going to church every morning for sanctuary keeping in order to avoid
ideas. Okay, that's nice. You're welcome, man.
Thank you.
Feel at home, man.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma, for accepting me into your home. God bless you.
Amen. Bless you too. Meanwhile, sweetheart, why not show her way to keep her bag and maybe let her freshen up and get her something to eat?
Okay, sure.
Alright.
Adezi, I will carry over. Come on.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, man.
Father, this is enough. I mean, it's enough. I have had enough of his nonsense. I mean, who the hell does he think he is? What effrontery, what audacity, what impetus? Mother, I am as much royalty as he is. Why is he acting like I am forcing him to be with me? Why?
Please, my daughter, calm down. Butu onne.
Mother, don't start. Don't even start. Don't ask me to butuo. Don't ask me to do it. I would not do it. I won't. At this point, I am done. I won't tolerate any more nonsense from him. This is it.
Gamont. What you and Prince Uchenna do not understand or do not realize is that as far as both of you are concerned, this marriage must happen. Yes. The only thing that will make this marriage fail is the death of one of you. But you see, as long as both of you are alive, this marriage must hold. See, so there is nothing that can be done about this. The marriage must hold. If you leave it, there's no running away from it. That's it. So that you don't default in any way. Let the fault come from them. It's a tight case.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Gods of my ancestors, I am so confused on this very matter now. Where do I start? My son has vowed never to listen to me on this marriage saga. The truth is, he is a grown-up man now. I can only take him to the stream, but I cannot force him to drink the water. I've tried so hard to force Princess Oma on him, but it's not working. All my efforts ended in futility. As it stands right now, I don't know what else to do.
Charlie? What is it? Charlie? What is it? What is it? Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! What happened? Your Majesty! Just collapsed. Your Majesty! Please, get the driver. Let him get the car ready. Let's rush him to the hospital. And meanwhile, get the prince. Tell the prince what's going on. Your Majesty! Please be fast about it.
How dare you barge into my room without knocking? My prince, there is trouble. There is big trouble in the palace.
What trouble?
Igwe just collapsed and has been rushed to the hospital.
What happened?
What happened to my father? What's going on with the king? How's the king? Please, what's going on with the king?
My prince, you have to calm down.
I'm calm. I'm calm, doctor. Please, just tell me, how's the king?
No, you're not calm.
Okay.
Doctor, he's calm now. Please, can you tell us the true position of the king? Please.
Please, just tell us, how's my father? Please, how is he?
Okay. You see, your father has been overthinking lately. And I ask myself, what is the problem? What can a king like him, who has everything he wants at his beck and call, be thinking to the extent of developing high blood pressure?
High blood pressure. But is he okay? I mean, you've treated him, right? Is he better now?
No, he is not. In fact, he developed a partial stroke. But not to worry too much. I believe we can correct that if he responds to treatment. Don't worry. Okay. And another thing, you should try and find out what has been eating him up.
I know what it is. I know what's eating him up.
You do?
I will do something about it.
Wow. Okay, better. You really have to do something about it. Because his condition is not advisable. You need to do something about it. But he'll be fine, okay? You don't need to worry yourself too much. I'm sure about that.
Father, I know that I have done so many things to wrong you. But I just want you to know that I've never done anything deliberately to hurt you. And I would do anything. I would do whatever it takes to make sure that you're okay, that you're happy, because I know that is what you want for me too. You want my happiness. Father, I have tried my best. I've tried my best to accept Princess Oma in my heart. But no matter what I try, no matter how hard I try, there's just something that doesn't accept her. Every time I try to get close to her, something pushes me away. But now that I see that this whole thing is affecting your health, I'm ready to sacrifice. I'm ready to do whatever it takes to make sure that you're fine. Because I can't imagine losing you. So I want to let you know that I accept Princess Oma. I accept her with all my heart. And I will do everything it takes to make the marriage work. I promise I'll never hurt her again. I'm sorry. Charlie,
my prince.
I need you to arrange 2 servants. We're visiting the princess.
2? My prince, we can only go with 1 because 2 are already with the king at the hospital.
That's fine. Get them ready immediately.
Okay, ma.
Hurry up, please.
How many times have I made it clear that you smile broadly each time you see me like you have seen the Queen of England? What happened a few minutes ago? Oh, keep your mouth shut, octopus. Especially you. There's something about you that is so annoying. Now you bark like a dog. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A bigger dog, I said. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I said keep barking.
Oh, my princess. Oh.
Shut. What in God's name are you doing here, you arrogant and proud fellow? I said, what are you doing here?
My princess, I have come to apologize to you. I am so sorry for causing you pain instead of bringing you joy. I made a lot of mistakes and I have realized my mistakes, and I want to promise you that it will never happen again.
Goodness. Oh my God. No, stand up. Stand. I mean, this is utterly beautiful. You knelt before me. Oh my king. Listen, you shouldn't do that, okay? You shouldn't kneel before me. You are my king. The crown over my head. I mean, you mean everything to me. And please, I am so sorry. I am deeply sorry for everything I did to you. I shouldn't have spoken to you in that manner. I was angry, but not anymore.
It's okay. You don't need to apologize for anything. I deserve whatever you did to me. Because I hurt you. And now that things are different, I hope we can start over again.
Did you hear that? What did you say?
I said I hope we can start over again.
Oh my goodness!
Wait. We shouldn't be doing this in public before our subjects. We're royalty.
I'm sorry, that's true. I totally forgot. I'm just overly excited.
I understand.
Did you hear that? Smile! Baby octopus. Never mind. Let's go inside, okay? Keep smiling. You continue barking like a dog. Oh! Let's go.
Where are they? Huh?
The prince has left. And your daughter went to see him to his car. She can't contain her.
When you put the right hand, it's difficult. You put the left hand. If it's difficult, you put both hands. You force it. If I name, something must happen.
Don't tell me it's your handwork.
Hey, Apova.
Huh?
Apova. Apova is in a Ghana. Where's that driver? Where is the driver? Listen, go in there and get me the car key, quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to drive yourself?
Yes. I have to do this. I have to drive me alone. No guards, nothing. Just me, the car, and the road.
My husband, how can you, a king, drive yourself in the company of no one to a trip? What would people say if they see you? Tell me.
Where is that boy? Let them say whatever they want to say. I am driving this car. Me, car, and the road. That's all.
Please.
Where is this boy?
My king. My king, please. You don't have to do this alone.
Highness.
See you when I return.
My king, please. Please, don't go there alone.
See you when I am back.
What he says stands. Osikama nwaya gawo nwonyo zoworo. Kama nkita mmadụ ga-atagbu nkịta ya tagbuo nke onye ọzọ. Kama ka ọ kwụba ụgwọ n'ọnụ ga-ekwu obi ya dị njọ. He has no conscience, not at all. Icholo ka agwa gị ife melu wee bụrụ odogwu. Icholo ka akọlụ gị ife melu bụrụ igwe. Icholo ka agbalụ gị ama ma ndị mmụọ. Icholo ka agwa gị ife melu wee bụrụ odogwu. Icholo ka akọlụ gị ife melu bụrụ igwe. Icholo ka agbalụ gị ama ma ndị mmụọ. Himanese kuecheze.
Alagbata. Nene paki onakirire, bonatobona ikiwarwa. Nene paki onakirire, bonatobona ikiwarwa. Nene paki onakirire, bonatobona ikiwarwa. What do you want?
Akwa Tiwalake. I want you to send something to my friend Igwe Kaka that will make his son turn back begging my daughter. She's all I have. If her right as the princess of this land is denied her, knowing fully well that I do not have another child, what have I gained in killing my brother, his wife, and his sons to become king?
Ajerese Odebe weko yosi. Odebe weko yosi. Agbada ese kwese bi riro. Obi rire. Obotare na oyoro no. Miroke. Miroke. Eseme menu wawa. Miroke. Tomorrow morning, your desire shall be granted. Unwomi wa juwe oyeme wana. Unwomi wa juwe oyeme wana. Unwomi joyiko okoyiko. Okaka unwomi ojoyiko okoyiko. Okaka unwomi ojoyiko okoyiko. Eseme unwomi wa juwe oyeme rena. Unwomi ojoyiko ojoyiko. Okaka mie! Mie! Mie!
What's happening? Iwe. Hey! Charlie? What is it? Charlie? What is it? What is it? Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. What happened? Your Majesty. Just collapsed. Your Majesty. Please get the driver. Let him get the car ready. Let's rush him to the hospital. And meanwhile, get the prince. Tell the prince what's going on. Your Majesty. Please be fast about it.
Order the call. Order the call. Order the call. Esame. Wakobiro. Esame. Wakobiro. Esame. Wakobiro. Meyowa. 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 Wakobiro. Wakobiro.
So it was you after all?
Nwoke ọ ga-esi anya akọcha ebe ọfụ. Nebeke n'anya, akwa ma dị ochi. Palm wine tapa. Ọ ga-esi anya akọ ife ọfụ n'enu nkwụ. Ọkọ ebe ife ọfụ n'enu nkwụ begini ọcha. What I'm talking about is that the palm wine tapa can never talk about, divulge everything he saw from the palm wine tree. If he does, he will follow it. He will fall. Things are happening. Agadi nwanyị ada aka nka na-egwu ọmalụ ka o si agba. The old woman never gets old. In that dance step, she knows how to step, how to dance. Whenever he hit the tune, no matter how complicated the drumming is, the old woman steps out and she moves her body. Dikeh, dikeh, dikeh.
No wonder. No wonder everything happened so fast.
Now my mind is at rest. At rest.
I'm so surprised to see how it all happened immediately. That's so soon.
She's the one. Yes, she's the one. Charlie.
What is it,
please stop the car. That lady, I need you to call her for me. I need to get her
This one?
This one in her. Get her, please. Go and get her.
Excuse me. Hello, excuse me.
How are
Good
you?
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Someone wants to see you. The Prince of Umwezemazi Kingdom, Prince Uche.
Your Majesty, my princess.
My prince. You are welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome, my prince. My name is Princess Oma, the ever gorgeous, beautiful Princess Oma, the one you have come to see.
Oh, you.
Yes, me. You're welcome. You're welcome to my humble abode, peaceful abode. You are welcome.
I see.
You see? Is that all you have to say? I mean, am I not beautiful enough?
Is anyone disputing your beauty?
No, of course. No one can dispute that. But, you know, I was expecting you to say more. Like, I am elegant, beautiful, outstanding, gorgeous. Yes.
Well, maybe you're just seeing things the wrong way. There's no disputing the fact that you're beautiful. You are.
Mother! He says that I am beautiful. Did you hear that? Thank you. Thank you very much, my prince. Thank you.
Prince Uche, I am delighted to note that your wife-to-be has bid you a rousing and warm welcome. It is left for the maids to do their job. Yes.
Yes, Father?
Yes. Let the maids do their job. Serve the prince, and of course, we serve ourselves.
You are a graduate of sociology from the prestigious Harvard University.
With a distinction, my prince. Don't forget to add.
That's interesting.
Thank you.
Tell me you don't see anything wrong with this archaic and mundane marriage arrangements.
What do you mean by that?
In this modern time, after all the exposure you've gotten from studying abroad, are you telling me you don't see anything wrong with this marriage arrangement?
You still haven't said anything to my understanding. What do you mean?
Tell me, apart from pictures, have you ever seen me or met me anywhere in the world before?
No. What is this all about?
How can two perfect strangers be made to marry each other just because of some stupid and unreasonable ordinance?
Oh, now I see where you were coming from. But I'll tell you this for free, my prince. We shouldn't let education and exposure deny us our culture.
We should be promoting it instead. This is our heritage. We should uplift it and not castigate it.
I see. Well, so who was that girl that was ahead of the procession when you came to greet me?
Who exactly are you talking about?
The maiden, the one that was directly in front of you.
Excuse me.
Princess.
The priest of war? Where?
Umweze Kingdom.
He's inside that car?
Yes, he asked me to call you.
How did he see me?
He just saw you right from the car. Yes.
Tell him I'm coming.
Please come and say it.
No, be going. I'll follow you behind.
Okay.
Also, the new boy.
Wait! Come and answer the prince now. Where are you running to? Stop it!
My prince, I don't know. As soon as I told her you wanted to see her, she agreed to follow me. Then the next thing, I thought she wasn't following me, only for me to look back and I found out she's running away.
Yeah, I saw that. I wonder why she's running.
I wouldn't know, my prince. This is strange.
Let's go. Maybe we'll meet her again along the road. Why is she running? I want to make her my wife or my mistress. The connection I'm talking about, it's beyond the physical one. It's deeper than flesh and mind.
Enough! Enough of that nonsense! I don't want to hear you spit that rubbish to my face again. I mean, for goodness sake, how dare you? How dare you say such about a common palace maiden to my hearing? What is wrong with you? Don't you have any ounce of respect for me?
I do have respect
for you. No, you don't!
I do!
Oh, please.
The respect I have for you has nothing to do with what we're talking about here. It has nothing to do with her.
It's the spell. The spell is at work again.
What spell?
She cast the spell on you. The spell is still very much effective. Look at you. The spell is still at work. It's still very effective.
What are you talking about?
You need deliverance.
Deliverance from what?
Love, you need deliverance. The spell needs to be taken off completely.
You're not making any sense.
I am making sense. I know what I am saying.